अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाज़रीन। आज हम पास्ट पेपर जूनियर क्लर्क 2018 का डिस्कस करेंगे। इसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट इज़ एन एब्रीविएशन ऑफ। करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, एयरबोर्न वार्निंग एंड कंट्रोल सिस्टम। काठमांडू बे एन अमेरिकन नेवल बेस इज इन। करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, Cuba. A computer on internet is identified by its. Correct answer is D, IP address. Uses information system to do any activity cheaper, faster, accurately and consistently. Correct answer is D, robotics. Havaldar Lalak Jan Shahid was awarded Nishan-e-Haider for his act of bravery and valor during the. Correct answer is B, 1970 war. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Pakistan Armed Forces by statute? Correct answer is D, President. If the sum of ages of A and B is 12 years, more than the sum of ages of B and C, then how many years is A older than C? Correct answer is C, 12 years. Choose the correct synonym. Conspicuous. Correct answer is A, discernible. Which number key is used with shift to type percentage? Correct answer is B, F5. Fill in the blank. I cannot make. Correct answer is D. I cannot make out the meaning of this lesson. I cannot make out the meaning of this lesson. Where you can insert the page number in MS Word. Page number command from insert menu. Correct answer is D, both A and B. If doctor is to surgeon, then soldier is to journal. Correct answer is C, journal. Where is the headquarters of African Union located? Correct answer is D, Addis Ababa. Use the correct antonym bliss. Correct answer is B, ignore. In MS Word, a master document contains link of subdocument. Correct answer is C, link. Master document contain of subdocument. Question number 16. Which of the following pen is not available in task pane of PowerPoint? Correct answer is C, word art. In computing, GB stand for. Correct answer is B, gigabyte. Question number 18. Damer Basha Dam is being constructed in Gilgit-Baltistan. Correct answer is C, Gilgit-Baltistan. In MS Word 2007, which shortcut key is used in replace text or specific formatting? Correct answer is A, Control plus H. Question number 20. When two people collaborate on an online document at the same time, they are collaborating. In cloud editing. In cloud editing, correct answer is A. Identify the correct spelling. Adulterate. Correct answer is A, adulterate. Which command will you use in PowerPoint if you need to change the color of different object without changing document? Correct answer is B, color scheme. Question number 23. Page setup dialog box does not contain. Correct answer is A, page break preview. Page break preview. Question number 24. In MS Excel is not an explain of value. Correct answer is B. Obtain mark 87. Question number 25. How was the founder of Scott movement? Correct answer is B. 26. How is called the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Correct answer is A. 27. Choose the correct meaning of idiom put the cat among the pigeons. Correct answer is A. To stay doing something that make a lot of people angry. Question number 28. The percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere is approximately. Correct answer is B. 21%. CASAS is private group of politics party leaders. Correct answer A. 30. In computing, which does CAD stand for? Computer Aided Design. Correct answer is C. 31. What does the abbreviation PDF stand for in the field of computer? Correct answer is C. Portable document format. Question number 32. The default language of Microsoft Word is. Correct answer is A. US English. Fill in the blank. By this time next year I will have taken all my exam. Correct answer is A. 35. Question number 35. Which of the following rank in the Pakistan Army is the highest rank? Correct answer is B. General. 26. How received the Nobel Prize for Literature in 216? Correct answer is C. Bob Dylan. Question number 27. Excel would evaluate the formula 20 cross 10 over 5 cross 8 and return this answer 5. 38. Question number 38. Which file format can be added to PowerPoint show? All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. Change the voice of the following sentence. Why was I not invited by him to dinner? Correct answer is B. Why did he not invite me to dinner? Which among us the following is the smallest unit of storage? Correct answer is A. Bit. 41. Which of the following shortcut is used to make text italic? Correct answer is B. Control plus I. Fill in the blank. There are any apples in kitchen? Correct answer is B. Any. In MS Word 2007, which shortcut key is used to insert a document? Correct answer is A. Control Alt plus Control plus M. Alt plus Control plus M. Question number 44. Which is the first name of President Putin of Russia? Correct answer is D. Vladimir. 45. Which of the following is a binary number? 1001. Binary number 1001. In a Windows PC, the shortcut key for underlining in Microsoft Word is. Correct answer is D. Correct answer is D. control plus V. An email account 47. Question number 47. An email account address book contain a list of name and email address. Address book. Correct answer is D. Address books. Complete 24, 48. Complete the sentence using the appropriate option. Fill in the blank of what he said was very sensible. Much of which correct answer is much. C. Much. Question number 49. In MS Word, which function automatically total a column or row of values? Sum. Correct answer is C. Sum. The International Atomic Energy Agency has its headquarters in. Correct answer is D. Vienna. 51. Question number 51. Before independence, East Timor was a part of Indonesia. Correct answer is D. Indonesia. Question number 52. How do you delete a column in MS Excel? Correct answer is D. Right click the column heading you want to delete and select delete from the shortcut menu. Question number 53. The size of the earth was first measured by. Correct answer is D. Question number 54. In MS Word 2007, which shortcut key is used for go to page, bookmark, font note, table table comment, graphic and other location? Correct answer is B. Control plus G. Go to page. Question number 55. Which of the following is not used to access the web? Correct answer is A. Following combination of key is used to maximize or restore a select window. Correct answer is C. Control plus F10. Control plus F10. 57. Question number 57. Fill in the blank. Please close the window as there is a draft. Correct answer is C. Draft.